We are very happy as a company to be participating in this exhibition, and BC India is a very important exhibition for the country itself, and we wanted to put a show similar to what we have been doing in the past, to speak about what is happening in the industry and what is happening with us. We continue to grow. The growth rate, what we are used to, was a very high percentage, a double-digit growth since COVID until last year. But this year we will be having a single-digit growth. There are many reasons for that. We presume that during the election process and a longer monsoon has been affected overall sentiments. And it is not the question of order booking. I'm talking only about the deliveries and billing of the machines. So that is a little bit not in line with the order book because of sites are not ready yet to take the machines and start the operation. So that could be the reason. But what we see for 25 is a very positive situation. We expect the business to go up at least by 20% in the year 2025. So we are hoping to close this year with a turnover of around 5,600 crores plus. I cannot tell that we still have a big 20 days left in the month. So what will be the situation? It could be something more also than whatever I am telling, but minimum will be reaching this level. So this is what I wanted to tell. So in this exhibition, talking about this exhibition, we have displayed around 44 machines, and it is capturing different segments of construction machinery categories. Concreting, of course, the first one. Then we have earth moving. Then we have road making. Then we have material handling. Then we have material processing. When I say material processing, for the first time that got added to our range, we have come out and displayed our crushers, the jaw crushers and the cone crushers. So that makes us a complete company in the field. So we have to report now numbers on every segment of construction equipment categories to the association, because we are there in all the field. I think probably we are the first company to reach that position. So others are yet to spread across. And why are we doing this? We see the opportunity for good manufacturer with a good service support and customer relationship. Since we believe ourselves to be doing a very good job in that, and also the customers having the expectation that they will get a better service from us. There were a lot of nudging from customer side. Why don't we get into these spaces? That is how we have come into these areas. In launching the product, we are also considering what is so far getting imported and what can be made in India as one consideration to address the indigenization process. We are bringing products. So some of the products fall into that category what you have displayed. Out of 44 machines, 11 of them are new. Never displayed before. I can share the details with you later because there is a list and there is a press note also. So we can talk about that machines. So it covers the batching plan, whatever we are having, some new models in that. Then first time in the truck mixer, we have displayed a 14 cubic meter truck mixer. That is the biggest in the country now. So far we were, the popular models used to be 6 sometimes back. Now as we talk it is 7. 9 are just coming into the market. We launched it 10 also. But 14 is the biggest. So the advantage for the customer who are having mass volume of concreting, they need not carry multiple vehicles. For example, 7 cubic meter, 2 truck requirement is reduced now to 1 truck requirement. So in a way we are contributing to the reduction in pollution also. When there is a huge volume going to go, it is better to send it as 1 truck and 1 driver instead of 2 truck emitting in 2 different vehicles. So that we could change the situation. And on the pump side, we have got many new models specifically to address the high-rise construction. You can imagine India has got a very small land compared to US. US is 1/3 of our size, but 3 times bigger than us. So we have land is very precious in India. So how to go vertical is next question. So that we will have an effective utilization of land and get the maximum land share in the building. So that is a very important criteria. So we are bringing a lot of products which will address the high-rise pumping. So the new products are there. 2 models of the pumps are addressing to that. I believe more than 80 towers are going to come in different cities in India. Mumbai being on the top, and then other there in this one. Following like Hyderabad and Bangalore and NCR and all. So the next one, what you are talking about is, a new model of concrete pump, where now customers are recognizing the need instead of a diesel, which is making a lot of noise for the residents. If it is working in a residential area, we have gone for an electric version. We have gone for a VFD drive also, which will reduce the consumption of power and also give a better acoustic effect, so that the people are not disturbed when the pumping operation is going on. And we have displayed the cylinder finisher, which is very much required for white topping. Whenever there is a asphalt road, they would like to mill the top surface and put a cement on it. So a machine is required for that. That we have launched, and it is doing very well. But that is not new. We had shown the earlier exhibitions also, but now it is become a regular product now. Then we have the boom pump. Then we have the complete range of self-loading mixture, which will be required from 1st of January. The new CEV 5 standard vehicles are standing there, and in one of them we have got first time in India 360 cameras, which means if you are going on a high-end car, you will be able to see what's happening around the car on the road. This machine is not cheap. This machine requires even more, because the construction site, there is an excavation. It could be working precariously near a edge or something like that. So knowing what is happening around you will be very, very important for the operator. It is operator safety and the machine safety. The idea is such facility in the machine should make the operation more safe and also effective, both. So we felt that the facility should be provided here. So that is there. So of course the chalk crusher and cone crusher, what you see here, the first time we are displaying here. So that announces our entry into the crushing industry. We will have more new products before we come to the next exhibition, XCon probably. We will have a big range of crushing machineries, and also we will have a lot of customer installation to share with you. Already some of the machines are under dispatch now, so we will have a very good numbers to report, because it's a related industry. Concrete is made with aggregate, so we are into aggregate now. Already we are in the construction and demolition waste recycling, so now this product will complete the crushing area completely. We are also helping a lot of Indian companies to white label our requirement of special products. We don't make them. We get it made to our standard and specification. By this way, we are giving opportunity for lot of small and medium sized manufacturers an opportunity to make machine, and we are taking care of the specification and then quality and selling in the market. So you will see machines like dry mortar plant. When you have to do plastering, you need to prepare a dry mortar. So that is done with dry mortar is more our machine, but other one like block making machine, brick machines, then chilling plant, then sand washing machine. When you crush and you want to wash the sand from the dust, so you have a washing machine. That is also goes along with the crushing plant also, concrete recycling plant, and plastering pump for plastering the wall and floor, that product, and digital dry bridge, and even light mask for the site. So all these are required in construction site. So we decided that we will help these companies and to get them branded in our name and introduce them in the market, and that is displayed here. This is all what I talked about so far is concreting product manufactured in India. Then we are talking next about the group company products. Excavator, we have two new models displayed here, 8 ton and 14 tons and another 21 class machines. We also have wheel loader, a new model displayed here, and two models of motor grader. 17 ton machine is also displayed here, and these are very high specification. I mean, which the top end I would say, like the ZF and those type of components inside. Then we have horizontal drilling machines displayed here, which is required for trenchless cutting, for laying cable, optic fiber, power connection or gas pipelines for that. Then you have aerial platform for maintenance purpose. That's becoming one of the popular product of our group. So we are selling them for different application. So which will bring safety and also where for the person who is working in heights and makes reach very comfortable and safe. And also we have got a crawler crane in the material handling area and all-terrain cranes, a truck crane, of course piling rig is displayed. Other than that, we got soil stabilizer, which is required for road construction, and then we have a pneumatic tire roller, which is used for the finishing of the road, and dump truck is required for the mining industry. We already taken good orders in the mines, and cold milling machine, which I said the surface milling of the asphalt roads, for that cold milling machine, and vibratory compactors. So that makes a list complete of 44 machines.
वन डिमांड आपका पूरा वन solution हो गया.
One
top solution.
Actually, we take more pride not just giving the complete range, but beyond that, what customer looks for us. I'll give a couple of examples. One is some customer were having trouble when they were in metro sites, metro construction, metro rail construction. They have a centralized batching plant. They have some 10-15 areas where the concrete is required. The requirement of concrete is decided by the site engineers, the 10-15 of them. The batching plant is one. So he wouldn't know what he has to do. And this way of communication, all of them were calling in the phone. And this was not a manageable situation. And again, to get a priority, it was not a manageable situation. So they presented the problem to us. So we have given them an app. So this app works fantastically. Anybody can give the requirement with the time there. His boss gives an approval in the app. He has to do only the mobile. He need not go to the system or call anybody. So all the orders on priority basis get queued up in the production schedule of the plant. So it takes out the concrete in the truck mixer and gives a printout, and he knows where he has to go. You can imagine like in the airport bus coming with the name saying that it's Hyderabad or Delhi. So that way it goes directly. They realized a big efficiency improvement in the process. So we don't stay as a manufacturer of machinery, we are giving technology solution related to the machine whereabout, IoT in it, GPS system. They can see what's happening with the machine, whether it's on or off, whether it is unloading or it is waiting. Everything can be seen in the mobile or iPad or any tab. They can see actually what is happening with the machine. So this is on managing the site better. We have given a lot of solution digitally for our customers. It is not our requirement in our manufacturing plant. It is in the production side of our customer, how we can bring connection between all the machine, people, process, and then give them a solution which will improve their productivity and give them the cost advantage. That's an idea. So this is what we have done. I gave it as an example. We are also working so a lot on the sustainability product. So already I talked about construction demolition waste. Recycling is possible with our machines now. Beyond that, concrete recycling we are doing. Even the municipal waste, converting, segregating and converting into agricultural manure, we are doing something. We are also doing something called wastewater sludge, pumping them and converting them to fertilizer we are doing. So we are doing in many areas of the sustainability because if you don't burn fuel, that means so much carbon you are not adding to the system. And if you are recycling the aggregate, so much mining you are not doing. Not cutting is again adding to the environment. So we are doing a lot of things on the sustainability area. The other area which I am proud of is giving opportunity to young people. Be it our production or operators, we are bringing both girls and boys from different institutions, mostly from 12th pass or ITI. We are giving them possibility to stay with us, learn and become graduate engineers and get a career for them, or get them a certification for the operator and give them a job opportunity. So this we are doing in a big way. We are tied up with many states. We started with Uttarakhand and then Tamil Nadu. First was Uttarakhand, then Tamil Nadu. Now we have with Assam, we have with Rajasthan. Last week we tied up with Telangana. So many more states are queued up. So we give our expertise on how to train them and also provide them the job. We are mindful about the fact mechanization is good for construction company, but that should not be taking away the job opportunity for a lot of young people in the country. So we are working parallelly on the both.